Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Vanessa Simpson. I am a soul purpose and spiritual transformation coach and master energy healer. In other words, a Reiki master, if you're familiar with that. I am the creator of Fifth Dimension Therapy, and my Lord Jesus, I am so grateful to be making this video for you guys today. So we're going to be jamming out three biggest tips right now for manifesting that are working for me personally. And so, of course, this coincides with other manifesting techniques that maybe you've came across, but here I am enforcing it in maybe a different way with different wording. And so, with that being said, number one thing is being intentional. Being intentional with your living. The more and more that we can be intentional with our living, which means little things such as even with our food. Being intentional with our food when we have created our food or we're about to make a meal. We're giving thanks for this meal, and may this meal bless our bodies with love, bless our bodies with light, and thank you all the plants and any meat that you're eating or whatever it is. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And so the more that we can be intentional, this is just one thing. Again, this is a practice. It's a practice to being an intentional being. It's a practice because we have to become conscious. And so with that being said, every time you swipe that card, when you're at the store or you're doing this, you're going shopping, anytime you swipe that credit or debit card, giving a moment of gratitude for this opportunity right now in this moment to be able to purchase this for yourself or for another. Like, thank you so much for this opportunity to do this, and giving that little extra intention. This over time, these little 1% little intentions behind what we do, it creates just massive and massive amounts of it creates this flood of light and love into your reality, because you're giving that intention of gratitude, of love for your abundance, for your health, for opportunities, and therefore you're continuing to raise your vibration, and you're doing a little bit at a time, and this little bit builds over time doing this, and then it becomes a subconscious program that you're just grateful every time you swipe your card. It's just something you do because of the repetition of always doing it consciously. Then it's just something you do. Same thing with your food. When you take a sip of water, when you take a breath, the more intentional we can be with what we do, this creates massive movements in your manifestations of aligning with your higher path and what you're here to do, what your purpose is, being that light for other people, transforming your own darkness. The second is feeling good. Abraham Hicks talks about this often, a lot, about feeling good. One of my favorite techniques about feeling good is when I'm at the store and someone asks me, hey, how are you doing? I'm just like, I'm freaking phenomenal. I am phenomenal. I am amazing. And they're like, holy shit. They're like, wow, like what's going on in your world? Why are you so amazing? And then you spreading that light to this other person creates a karmic effect in your life, a butterfly effect right back. It creates a butterfly effect in their life too, because you're shining so bright and you're expressing it. They can't help but be like, holy shit, this light is amazing, and I want more of it. Tell me more. How can I be happy like this person? So with that being said, feeling good. And so really feeling good starts in the morning. What are you doing in your morning routines to feel good? Me personally, meditation is so huge in priming my body and feeling in my body of feeling good and feeling grateful, because gratitude is the vibration of receivership, of you receiving, and this is how you align to your purpose and butterfly affect your life. Number 3 is doing your 1% every day, allowing the universe to do the other 99%, but you doing your 1% every day, and what that means to you And so tuning in with that, this is my goal, this is what I want, what do I need to do today to be in this vibration of already having it? If I already have this, what would I be doing? So if you're growing a business, taking a step in your business, maybe doing some marketing, reaching out to people. If you're wanting to start a t-shirt business and maybe going and seeing a t-shirt shop and just checking it out and planting those seeds. If you're wanting a partner in your life, perhaps then, if being in the embodiment of already having this love in your life, what would you be doing? Maybe you'd be going out and just going for a walk, going and exercising, or taking yourself out to lunch and treating yourself because you feel so good. Doing your 1% every day is going to be extremely important because guess what, my friends? Over time, this becomes 360%. 360% growth because of that 1% you did every day. And it's not that hard to think of just the 1% that I have to do today, because so many of us get in our heads about how far we need to go to get to where we want to go. But really, you just need to focus on that 1% today. And just showing up today, and over time, this builds momentum. Also, if you're wanting to make a name for yourself, begin with one video, begin with one message that you're sharing to someone when you're out at the store and you're talking about how amazing you are and just how great life is, and you never know who you're going to meet. And so these are the 3 tips that in the past year has taken my business 4.5 times growth, from being a little massage therapist making not even 10 grand, like 9 grand, all the way up to clocking out at 40,000 last year, just by being intentional with myself and feeling good and showing up and doing that 1% every day. And sometimes if I feel more, maybe I'll do 2% if I'm feeling so much energy, maybe 20%, who knows, just whatever it is. However you feel, just listen to your energy, but you don't want to overextend yourself or expect too much out of yourself, because then if you expect too much, we procrastinate and we don't do, because we're thinking of everything that needs to be done. And that's why I'm just asking you for that 1%. And believe me, this is what the 1%ers are doing. And you doing this is going to change your life, of allowing yourself to feel good as much as you can, to continue raising your vibration, being intentional and doing that 1% every day. Again, my name is Vanessa Simpson. Go ahead and check out the description, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.